YouTube, just hitting up another video for y'all. You know, I'm just doing my open box part 2, Fan Expo edition. Yep, we're gonna keep the theme going. We're gonna get the box. We're just gonna open it up and pull it away. This one is fucking heavy. Pardon my French. Video's not meant for kids, anyways. But here we are, big old box. I'm going to open it gently because it is big. So one side, let's get it up. This one. And I think I like what I see. But do y'all? I mean, could almost one-hand it. Yeah. This one's pretty good. Yeah. So y'all see there? That's what we're getting. That's gonna take a bit of working out to do. How the heck does this guy carry that around so nonchalant? He's way stronger than Sephiroth. I like